This is a 1997 GMC Safari. The passenger seatbelt is stuck. Now it uses two retractors, one for the top, one for the bottom. It's common for the retractor to get stuck after a car crash, but this van has never been wrecked. So I'm guessing it's something simple. Let's open up that assembly. Since this van had never been wrecked, I figured the retractor was still good and maybe the belt was stuck on itself. So move your seat forward all the way, take off this trim piece, and there is a T47 bolt at the very bottom of this assembly. T47. Now some of the forums state that this is a T50, but the T50 is way too big. The T47 fits it perfectly. Now the T50 does fit the other Torx on this seatbelt assembly. So my problem was that the bottom seatbelt wouldn't budge. Now to the left, there is a small spool, and this seatbelt was all the way to the left. So basically it was getting stuck on itself. So with this flathead, I just pushed it to the right until it sat in the center. And then it was able to move freely. Simple fix. Sometimes they get stuck. Now I just put everything back together and we're good to go. This is one of those GM two-belt designs. Have a good day, you guys.